Next airdrop we're going to do is EarnBet. Put a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. We got a lot coming up. Let's first hit on the Telegram bot. Pop that up. Hit start. Just fill in the equation. Click this. I want you to join the Telegram group, so let's join that group. Go back to the bot up here. Go to join the channel, so we're going to join the channel here. Back to the bot again. Register an account on EarnBet. Click down here. You put in a username and then go to continue to step 2. Now we're on this for step 2. And it's going to get you to copy all your stuff. Continue. And this is going to pop up. We hit that. And now you have 10 coins in here. And after you're done that, just pop up your bot again. And follow on Twitter and retweet pinned post. So let's open that up. So we're going to hit follow. And then we're going to like this post. And then we're going to retweet this. And get rid of that. And then go subscribe to the advertiser's channel. Then it's going to ask you to submit your details. Put your name in there. Want your Twitter ID next. Pop in your Twitter ID. Click yes. Now you're going to go to your Twitter account. You're going to go onto the tweet here. You tweet it out. Should be under your personal name. And then up top, just copy the URL. Then go back to the bot. Put your bot details in of what it is. Hit that next. Next it wants your email address. Hit that. Then click here, complete airdrop. We'll have your balance right here. How many coins you have. Down here we'll have your Bitcoin reward balance, useful links. And then you got your referral link up here that you can copy and paste wherever you need to. And that's the end of this airdrop. Please like and subscribe to the channel. We got quite a few more coming up.